Welcome to JJ's Garage. Today we're going to be working on this 2001 Sportster. What's going on, y'all? So pretty much I just got my hands on these 2001 Harley Sportster. This is pretty much how I got it. It's got the custom seat on there. That's going to be going away. It's got 15-inch shocks. That's going to be going away because I'm super short and I can't sit on it with my feet flat on the deck with those shocks. So we're going to talk about that later. What else? It's got a flat front tire. What else? So it's probably gonna need new tires. Definitely gonna need a battery. Missing battery there. What else? I don't know what's going on with this headlight. It's got freaking tape on it. It's not even cracked or anything. I don't know if that's like a look or something. But yeah, that's going away. This bar, I already flipped it, but it was flipped upside down and 180. I guess for like a racer look. Not too sure. I already flipped it up. What else we got going on here? It's got some pipes wrapped. That's cool. That's gonna stay stock. Air filter. Everything else is pretty much stock that I can see. Nothing too crazy. Purchased a 2-inch tank lift right about here. So that's gonna be sitting up there. Show you that later. Alright, so here's some of the stuff I got. Got a light here on deck. Fresh LED light. I'm replacing that shit over there with the freaking electrician's tape on it. That's gonna be going away. Put this thing on. That's gonna look fresh. We got here our shocks. These are, like I said, 11.5 ish. See if you can. Do this right here. Look at that big difference, yeah? So she's gonna be dropped quite a bit with this 11.5s. So we got the shocks. We got a nice C bobber style. That's the mount right there. I'll wrap that there in a minute. Pull the seat out here. Sorry about all this shaking crap. So yeah, here's the seat. Got a skull. I love me some skulls, man. I'll go down for some skulls. I got some grips in the mail. That's coming. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Alright, so that was a bit of a pain in the ass to get those in there. It comes with these welded bolts in here and the bracket. So is washer. You put the spring on, another washer, and then the nut. And then you gotta tighten it down by sticking the freaking wrench in here. I really try to find a socket that fits in here, but there's nothing. It's a 1/2-inch wrench. You stick it in there, you just rotate it, boom, until it's tight. And that's pretty much it. Now we just gotta put this bracket on here, right on here on top. With this bolt. Like so. And then the seat's gonna mount to this bracket, and then pretty much it's gonna sit right on these springs. So, alright. So here is how it's gonna look like with the seat on. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm just gonna have to put everything on and then sit on it and see how I feel. I don't really like this gap right here too much, but we'll see when everything's done and when she's lowered. So I ended up bolting the springs to the seat so it doesn't come up for now. And let's go ahead and do the shocks real quick. Alright, so here's a quick side by side. The old shock, which is still pretty new, and the new shock. We got between center and center about 15. Center and center 11.5. So she's gonna be pretty slant. I think stock height was 12.5, so it's only an inch lower than stock. So we'll see how she looks like. Alright, so here's what it looks like with the 11.5-inch shocks. Really liking it so far. I don't know how I feel about the seat still. The license plate bracket did not work with these shocks. It was custom made to the other shocks, so I have to make another one or modify it. But the stance is pretty fire. I'm liking it. Alright, let's about to raise the tank and then do the headlight. Alright, so here's the old headlight next to the new headlight. That's the back. It's like 3 prongs. And we got 3-prong connector right there, so it seems to be plug and play. And that looks real sick. Alright, let's install it. Oh, GoPro died, but there it is. Light is installed. And I'm loving the look. It's freaking sick. Wish I had the batteries, I can test it right now, but I don't. Alright, on to the next thing. So here we are next day. I had to stop working on the bike because there's a bunch of other things I have to do. So I tucked it in the corner. I gotta fix this trailer. I gotta work on Maggie over there. A bunch of other things I have to do today. So I stopped working on the bike for now. Grips just came in though, so that's gonna be getting installed pretty soon. Here they are next to each other. I mean, there's gonna be a big difference. This thing over here versus that. Yeah, I'm liking that. So that's coming up. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here, do some things I gotta do. Give these upgrades a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and see you on the next one.